Well, brought the old second gen dolly over to show Jonathan, but he ain't here. Every time I come over to this place, that man's never here. He's always out and about doing something. That ain't him. He's putting that Yanmar to use. Where you been at?
Yeah, I had to run down to the store. I got no car to use. You know, before I was running. Now I got the tractor, so I just take the tractor down to the store. But we're gonna be working on the second gen today. We're gonna take a little break from doing the bed. You guys are loving the bed. We're gonna take a break from the bed and work on the inside of the truck. You guys are gonna be super excited about this. About 90% of second gen owners need this part for their truck to fix it, because you guys know these trucks have horrible dashes, and that's what we're replacing today. So let's go ahead and hop right into it.
Old statement to stay there. My dash looks prime.
Yeah, come on. Freaking Mike over here gassing up his new truck. What is it? What we got going on here?
A 1-ton pile of you know what, but it's just that 01 Dodge. I just needed something a little bigger here to tow the trailer and hauling them logs and stuff. And neighbor, he just cut down about 8 more trees, so a lot more logs to haul. So thought I'd get something different. Got rid of that Chevy and picked this thing up.
Yeah, I got that 5-speed. I drove this thing about halfway here, and both me and Mike can agree this thing needs one more gear.
Oh yeah. A 6-speed in this thing would set it up right.
Yeah, because when we're driving, we put in 5th, and we just want to grab that last gear, but it ain't got no gear, 6th gear. But pretty good truck. I think he made a good decision on trading that Duramax for it. Even if he doesn't keep this truck, he can still, you know, sell it for a good amount here with a 5-speed. It's decent for a work truck.
Yep.
It's not.
It ain't nothing perfect.
Yeah,
it ain't no show truck. So I mean, don't mean nothing to me. But it'll probably be for sale in about 3 or 4 months.
Yeah. He don't keep cars and trucks too long. He likes to hustle that buy and sell game. He just picked up a free generator and sold it for 300 bucks. So he's all about that hustle life.
Oh yeah, if you can make if I can get it for cheap and turn $1, I'm with it. So.
Yeah. So I guess he's part of the 10% of second gen owners that don't need a new dash, because it looks like this one was replaced. It's probably a replacement dash, but we got a replacement dash from Geno's Garage. If you guys don't know what Geno's Garage is, they have a ton of Dodge parts, from dashes to aftermarket accessories to everything you can think of. Geno's Garage has it. A lot of you guys were asking me where I got this cup holder right here in this wreck second gen, and you can get this from Geno's Garage. This is probably one of my favorite things I loved about this truck, was having a cup holder right here, and you never had to use this one that's inside the dash. You just have a cup holder right there. You can put your phone right in here. That's one of my favorite things that I loved about this truck. We're gonna go ahead and get this inside of the truck looking good, because as you can tell, this dash in this truck has seen better days. And also we have a dash bezel. Geno's Garage has it all. You can get the dash bezel, you can get the clips that you need. It's all there on the site. I'll have it linked down below if you guys want to go check out Geno's Garage and see what kind of parts they offer for your Dodge truck. I highly recommend their aftermarket dash, because it's not like the original dash. You can see this one right here. This is, well, there you go. It just broke in my hand and shatters like glass. This is the original dash, and you can even drop it from, you know, a foot and it still cracks. So everyone knows Dodge trucks have horrible dashes, and this one is just completely gone. We'll go again. But right here we have the brand new dash and dash bezel from Geno's Garage. So right there, Mike's picking it up, is the brand new dash bezel. I was trying to get the new double din dash bezel, but unfortunately I wasn't able to get it. So Geno's Garage was, you know, happy enough to send out a brand new dash bezel. We have the air vents for the dash bezel in that truck. We just got to take out and then slap into here. We have the clips that we need. I believe there's 16 clips in there. So we need those to attach the bezel to the dash. And then we got the brand new dash, man. This is made out of ABS plastic, I believe, and it's not gonna fade, crack. It's not gonna crack like that dash did. It's gonna hold up for a very long time. And what I like about this is you can flip it over, and this is where you screw it into the actual dash. And you can see it's reinforced. This part right here is the exact same thing as this. I took it out so I can show you guys, and look at that. It doesn't have any reinforcement in there, and this one does. It's very high quality. They have foam around the defrost vent, so it's not gonna squeak when you're driving down the road. And yeah, I'm super excited to get this put in the truck and get the dash looking better than it does right now, because that's kind of an eyesore when you hop in here, and a lot of stuff is an eyesore in here. But we're gonna be getting the dash good. Like I said, go check out Geno's garage. But without further ado, let's go ahead and install this. We got to take out the airbag. We got to take off a couple more parts. We got to unscrew the old dash and get that out of there, get all the pieces, and then we can go ahead and install the dash and the bezel and get this truck looking good. All right, Mike's getting ready to unwrap this. I'll have the link down below to this exact model. If you guys have a second gen and you're looking for this color, you can get it raw, so you can go ahead and paint it, or they have different colors to match your interior. But they sent this one out. I told them I wasn't gonna paint it, so they sent one out that doesn't need to be painted. So it's gonna have really good UV protection for the sun. It's not gonna crack or fade or do anything crazy like that. But go ahead and undo that, Mike, or unwrap that thing. Let's see how beautiful this dash looks. A little difference that we figured out on the old dash, where the vents are, usually you would have to take out the whole vent system to be able to put an OEM dash in there, because on each part of the defrosters, there's a screw that screws actually into the dash itself. On this one, you don't have to pull that whole air system out to be able to get this in, because it doesn't have the screws on. There's one on each side of each defroster, and then this right here has double-sided tape that's going to stick to the side defroster. So Mike, a lot of people were saying to I did a Instagram post, and a lot of people were saying to cut this off. What do you think about doing that?
Take her on off.
I think it'll look a lot better with it taken off. A lot of people were sending me pictures of people that have done this with their bed. I've seen a couple 4th gens that people sent me, and they don't have this part of the bed on there. So I think I am going to be cutting this off just straight down at the bottom. It's already cracked. The well down there is already cracked, and I think it'll just look a lot better. That's going to be looking good, man. I like that. All right, let's go ahead and throw that in the truck. All right, everybody, it is the next day. Me and Mike went ahead and finished up the new dash and the new bezel, and let me tell you what, man, it is looking absolutely crazy. The new dash and the new bezel totally set off the interior of this truck. I already like the interior just because of the leather or vinyl seats or whatever, but we got it cleaned up a little bit. The back end, brand new tint we did a couple weeks ago. And boom, there it is. That is the new dash. It is looking absolutely amazing. No more cracked dash, and I couldn't find the other air vent to go right here. It's somewhere inside that other truck. I cannot find it. We got the gauges all set back up, the bezel in, the new dash in. It is mixed match colors. The dash is black and that part is gray, just like the door panel. But it don't bother me at all. Like I've said before in other videos, this truck isn't meant to be nice. So I'm not too worried about the color. But if you guys are, they have other colors on their website where you can pick from to match your interior color. But I think this turned out really good. It was pretty straightforward on how to do this. You know, you just take out the old dash and take out the airbag, take out the glove box, bezel and stuff like that. Pretty straightforward, super easy to do. Took a couple hours because me and Mike were just hanging out, chilling, and doing the dash. So came out awesome. I'm in love with it. I don't think I've had a second gen without a cracked dash. I've had 3 second gens. One was a 1500, and then I have 2 2500s, and all 3 of them are cracked. So that kind of tells you, you guys already know that second gens have cracked dashes, and this is the easiest way to fix the most common problem. Almost everyone that has a second gen has a cracked dash, but I am one of them that does not have a cracked dash, and I cannot be more happy how this interior is coming out. So if you guys want to go check out Geno's Garage, I'll have a link down below to the dash bezel and the dash replacement. It's not a topper. A lot of websites are selling dash toppers that you put over your original dash. This is not a topper. This is a dash replacement. Take out your old dash, put this brand new dash in. So guys, don't think you're just getting a dash that's gonna sit on top of it. You glued on top of the old dash. No, this is a complete replacement, and it looks awesome. So definitely guys, go check out Geno's Garage. There is their phone number and their website. It's your #1 place for Dodge Ram parts. They have the best prices, a lot of different accessories that most companies and websites don't even sell. So guys, go check them out, find whatever you need there. So that's gonna do it for this video guys. Huge shout out to Geno's Garage for the new dash and the new bezel. In next video, we're gonna be continuing on the flatbed conversion. So if you guys are new to the channel, we went ahead and cut the sides off. These are the sides that we cut off of the bed, and this is what it's looking like. I love the way that it looks. We are going to be cutting this back rack off, and we're going to be mocking up some metal. We're going to be using the old metal from the old sides to weld in the gaps right here for the new flatbed. And we're gonna try and figure something out with this. I don't know if I want to put it right here and then put that gas tank cover, weld that in right there, or just try to fit it in right here. Let me know in the comments below where you think I should put it. And then on the back end, I have to buy some tail lights. I'm thinking I'm gonna get the oval ones and either just put them, you know, straight. I'll put a red one right here and a white one for the reverse, and then same thing on the other side. Or I may put them at a little bit of an angle, but I think that would look kind of weird. So I may just go ahead and get either the red and white, or they make some that have a red ring. They're still oval, but they have a red ring, and then the white is in the middle. I may get 2 of those, put one right there, so we got double brake and double reverse lights for both sides. I think that'll look pretty good. We have to rivet this back into the fender, so we'll have to go pick up some rivets and a rivet gun to fix that. And then the #1 challenge for welding this side is there is a ton of Bondo on this thing. Must have got wrecked. Ton of Bondo here, Bondo all along here, so we're gonna have to grind that down so we're able to get to some metal to weld. But yeah guys, definitely stay tuned till next video where we go ahead and start working on this bed again. But also get your Soot Empire and your Dippin Diesel American flag decals. These don't stay around for long. I'm making everything limited edition, so it's only gonna be on the website for a couple weeks, and then we're gonna be dropping new designs, and only on special occasions these designs will come back. So if you guys wanna get a design that's on the website now, if it's not already sold out, go ahead and pick it up now because they will not be around for long. The designs that are on the website now are only gonna be on the website for a couple more days. So guys, get them while you can. But that's gonna be it. Thank you to Geno's Garage for sending out the dash and the bezel, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Dippin Diesel, out.